Hi, what we're going to look at today is how to express a number in its prime factor form, or as a product of its prime factors. This comes up quite a lot on GCSE paper, so it's fairly important. If we take our first number, then 96, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off, I'm going to halve this number. Half of 96 is 48, and I know that 2 times 48 gives me 96. And I also know that 2 is a prime number. 48 is not, but what I can do is I can halve this again. So half of 48 is 24, and 2 times 24 gives me 48, and I know 2 is a prime number. I can continue doing this. Half of 24 is 12, so 2 times 12 gives me 24. 2 is my prime number. And continuing on, half of 12 is 6. 2 times 6 gives me 12, and 2 is my prime number. And then halving 6, I get 2 and 3. Already know that 2 is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number, so I can circle that one as well. And this is the prime factor tree for 96. Now, this is not expressed in its prime factor form because we're looking at it as a product of its prime factors. Now, product means multiply, so we have to multiply these together to finish it off. So if we write this next to here, it's going to equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 2's times 3. We could also write this as a product of its powers, so we could say, right, there's 5 2's there, which becomes 2 to the power of 5, and the 3 on its own times 3. Let's try one more example. Let's do 140. So this time, this is going to be a bit quicker. If we look and halve 140, we get 70. 2 times 70 gives me the 140. I know that 2 is my prime number, so I can circle that. Do the same to the 70. 2 times 35. We can't halve 35 because that's going to give us a decimal or fractional answer. So we need to look for 2 other factors of 35. I know that 5 times 7 gives me 35. 5 and 7 are both factors of 35. 5 is a prime number, and so is 7, so we can circle both of them. And then to write it or express it as a product of its prime factors, what we can do is we can times these together like we did, because product means multiply, or writing it as a power.